You've probably seen a protective style online and thought, yes, that's the one. But after trying it, your waves fell flat or your coils fell dry. Here's the truth. Your protective style should match your hair type, not someone else's. Today, we are diving deep into the ultimate guide to protective styling by texture, porosity, and density. Let's unlock the secrets to styling with intention and protecting with purpose. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. I am so happy to see so many of you subscribing to the channel. It gives me so much joy because it means that my attempt in helping every woman with coils and curls to know what to do with their hair is working. Let's help each other out, and I like to thank and shout out all of you who comment in the comment sections, give me advice, and also tell me what you're thinking. I appreciate you so much and keep coming back. Thank you and love you all. Now let's get back to this video. Number 1 or chapter 1, the origin of hair typing. The hair typing system we know today that started with Andre Walker, a celebrity stylist who created a visual scale to help people choose hair products. From type 1 straight to type 4 coiling, this system gave structure to an often overlooked topic, hair texture. But the natural hair community evolved. Now we don't just look at curls, we also consider porosity, strand, thickness, density. Because your curl pattern is just one piece of the puzzle, and I will go further to insist, even if you and your best friend, cousin, sister, twinnie have the same hair type, always test and see what works for you, and what doesn't work for you, throw it out the bush. Nobody is going to blame you for it. Number 2, how to determine your hair type. Are you wondering? So, how do you figure out your own hair type? Here's how or what to look for. The first thing is the curl pattern. Wash your hair and let it dry without any product. Is it loose waves, spring curls, tight coils? That's your hair type. It could start from 2A to 4C, depending. Also, the second thing you want to look into is your porosity. Try the flat test. Place a clean strand in water. If it floats, you get low porosity. If it sinks slowly, medium. If it sinks fast, you have high porosity. And the third is the density. Look in the mirror. You can see your scalp easily. If you can, then that's low porosity. If it's hard to see, then that's probably high density. Now, and the last thing we want to look at is the strand thickness. Rub a strand between your fingers and compare it to a thread. Okay, it doesn't matter what kind of thread. If it's finer than thread, fine, small size, medium, thicker, or coarse. These 4 threads are the things you want to look for and have as your personal blueprint to enable you determine what kind of protective styles you will be gunning for. The hair types is plain, and the protective styles that should be accorded to them. Type 2, which is the wavy hair. Wavy hair tends to freeze easily and gets weighed down fast. The best styles for such hair is like loose braids or plaits, low buns, overnight twist, claw clip styles. Tip: use water-based leave-ins and light oils, nothing too heavy, and detangle with care to keep wave wave definition intact. You know, people with such hair, your hair tends to get overwhelmed or loaded easily. So you want to keep your products light and water-based to ensure that your hair is getting the right amount of care in the protective styling. Type 3, that is the curly hair. So it could be 3A, 3B, or 3C. Or according to my good sister on TikTok, it doesn't matter. But if you know that you're in the type 3 range, defined coils are your kind of coils, which are gorgeous, but frizz and dryness can creep in very fast. So your go-to style should be 2-strand twists, flat twists and cornrows, knotless box braids, and bantu knots. The tips for you: follow the LOC or LCO method, deep condition regularly, and sleep on satin. Your coils will thank you. Okay, satin bonnet or a satin pillowcase. Okay, you'll be very happy with the results you get for doing that. Now, if you're the type 4, we are the coily, kinky hair. Okay, whether you're 4A, B, or C, here is our group. Type 4 hair is versatile but fragile. It needs the TLC and low manipulation. The best protective styles for our hair is the mini or chunky twists. These are my favorites. The knotless braids, I love to do them, but I am not that patient to keep them in. The flat twist on the wigs, the crochet styles or faux locks, the full wigs or weaves. Tips: keep your hair stretched to reduce tangles and avoid tension around the edges. Wiggly moisture is a must, even when it's tucked away. Now, some people argue that they prefer not to have their hair stretched because they think heat usually gives them more problems than they need. Do you? Like I said, every hair, even within those categories, is unique. Ensure that you test, try, and see what works for you, and concentrate on what works for you and what doesn't. Dump it in garbage. Number 4, a bonus: porosity and density styling tips. Beyond coils, 2 hidden factors affect your results: your porosity and density. Now let's break it down, okay? Hair threads and what it means and what to do. If you are low porosity, it means that your hair resists moisture. Use light sprays or steam before styling. If you're high porosity, your hair loses moisture quickly. Seal with oils and butter. Low density, less hair per square inch. Voluminous styles like chunky twists, but please ensure that they are not too heavy to stress the hair on your head and lead to breakage. We spoke about this in the previous videos. If you've not watched those videos, they are a must watch and they are getting some good views. Thank you guys. Now, if you are high density, lot of hair per inch, it means that trying flatter styles like cornrows will be good for manageability. These tiny details can make or break your protective style, okay? Final message, guys. Here's what I want you to remember. If you don't remember anything, remember this. There's no universal best protective style, just the one that is best for you, your hair type, and your hair era. Because there are times that you will try a protective style for your hair at one era, it will grow your hair will be happy. You try it another time, your hair doesn't give a care. Like, hello, please, I'm not in the mood for this. This is summer or this is winter, and I don't really feel like doing this thing right now. Let's switch it up. Do something else. Right now, I'm not feeling it. So make sure you listen to your hair. Observe its attitude. Your hair is like a woman. You have to observe it. If it's acting angry, get it some flowers. Give it some TLC. Say, please, baby. And if it's acting happy, yes, follow up with what it's happy about. Ask it, what are you happy about? And if you see that thing, please give it more of it, okay? Now, always ensure that your hair tells you what you need, and all you have to do is listen. Start with your hair type, style with intention, and protect with purpose. Drop your hair type in the comment section and let us know what's your gorgeous, gorgeous hair type and what's your go-to protective style. And if you found this helpful, please share it with someone who's still trying to figure out what works for their hair. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more natural hair wisdom every week. I will see you next time. But until then, let me sing a little song for you. I think I'm gonna like it. I know I'm gonna like it. I think I'm gonna like it here. Yes, I think I'm gonna like it here. Yes, yes, I think I'm gonna like it here. Think I'm gonna like it here. I think I'm gonna like it. Yes, yes, I think I'm gonna like it here. Yes, yes. I will see you in the next one. Catch you all, guys. Love you. This is Nappy Nemo signing out. Bye bye.